Hello everyone. I hope you all enjoy your day and have a good day. I hope you all also have a good health and in a good health. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Alivira Manigunawan and I am from Syarif Hidayatullah Islamic State University, Jakarta. And today, in this section, in this video, I want to share my thoughts and my book review about the book I have read. The book is entitled Values in English Language Teaching by Bill Johnston. So, it is a reference book that is an insightful exploration into the role of values in the field of English language education. Authored by Bill Johnston, it delves into the significance of incorporating values such as empathy, tolerance, and cultural understanding into language teaching practices. Johnston, a renowned expert in language education, brings his wealth of experience and research to illuminate this crucial aspect of teaching. And this book has a 139 page and published by Routledge. This book, published on 30th of January 2003. And this book especially has a genre like a reference, educational, and language teaching. So, Johnston meticulously researched various methodologies and practices in language teaching, drawing from his own experience as well as contemporary research in the field. He then synthesized this information into a comprehensive guide providing practical insight and strategies for educators. And then the overview of the book that I can got is this book explores how educators can integrate values into their teaching methodologies to foster a more inclusive and empathetic learning environment. It discusses the importance of cultural sensitivity, critical thinking, and ethical decision-making in language education. So, without any further ado, let's dive deeper into the content of each part. Part 1. So, in the part 1, they called it in the book is Introduction. Johnston, as an author, sets the stage by highlighting the crucial role of values in English language teaching. He discussed the significance of creating a learning environment that fosters empathy, tolerance, and cultural understanding. And then, the second part is about theoretical framework. So, in this section, Johnston delves in theoretical underpinnings of values-based language teaching. He explores various philosophical and pedagogical approaches to understanding the relationship between language education and values, providing readers with a solid foundation for the practical applications discussed later in the book. And then the third part is about practical applications. In this part, Johnston offers concrete strategies and activities for integrating values into language teaching practices. Drawing from both a theoretical insight and practical experience, I think this book provides educators with a toolkit to effectively incorporate values such as empathy, critical thinking, and ethical decision-making into their lessons. The fourth part is about case studies. What I got from this part is, I think through real-life examples and case studies illustrates how values-based language teaching can be successfully implemented in diverse classroom settings. Readers gain valuable insight into the challenges and opportunities of incorporating values into language education, as well as the positive impact it can have on students' language proficiency and personal development. And the last part, in this book is about conclusion, and what I got from the conclusion in this book is the transformative potential of values-based language teaching and highlights the importance of ongoing reflection and adaptation in educator practices. So, I think it serves as a call to action for educators to embrace values as integral components of their teaching philosophy and practices. And then, I think this book, The Values in English Language Teaching, target towards language educators, curriculum developers, and teacher trainers who are interested in enhancing their teaching practices by integrating values into their pedagogy. And then, what I like and I think the interesting part for me is when the book is emphasis on the transformative potential of values-based language teaching. By promoting empathy, cultural awareness, and ethical reasoning, educators can not only improve language proficiency, but also nurture responsible global citizens. And what we can take from this book, like the lessons and the motivation from this book, I think I can tell you that readers can gain valuable insight into the role of values in education. I think what I can take from this book, like the lesson and motivation that I can take from this book, is through this book, I can gain valuable insight into the multifaceted role of values in education, especially in empathy and cultural understanding, ethical decision making, critical thinking, and professional fulfillment, creating a positive learning environment and long-term impact about education and about learning. And then after that, as an educator myself, later, I found I think as a student of education and as an educator later, I found values in English language teaching to be a thought-provoking and inspiring book. It reaffirmed my belief in transformative power of education and motivate me to adopt a more value-centered approach in my teaching practice. And then, I think this book will recommend to the people who are like language educators, teacher trainers, and anyone passionate about promoting intercultural understanding and empathy through education. Because it offers practical guidance and insightful reflections that are relevant to educators at all levels. And then, I want to add some quotes from myself that maybe can give you all more insight. Incorporating values into language teaching is not an option. It's a moral imperative in today's interconnected world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this book review, please like and subscribe for more book review content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the book and comment below. Until next time, bye-bye!